Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Thank you all for tuning in. Today's recipe, we are going to be making mouth-watering delicious delicacy, Gizzarddodo. It's really delicious. It doesn't take time to cook. If you are interested, keep watching. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload any new video you get updates. Okay, let's get started. I'm using turkey gizzard for this recipe. I already washed them thoroughly, so I'm going to slice the gizzard into tiny sizes. When I am done slicing the gizzard, I will season it with some chopped onions. I'll add some salt, some curry powder, thyme, some ginger powder, and some beef seasoning powder. I will mix it thoroughly to combine. I'm not going to add water to cook this gizzard. I'll cover it, allow it to cook on a medium heat until soft. For my pepper, I'm using 3 red bell pepper, 1 onion, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, and 1 garlic clove. I'm going to roughly blend this pepper, not too smooth. I'm using 6 ripe plantains. Peel off the skin, cut them into little cubes before frying. I will go ahead and check on the gizzard. The gizzard, they are nicely cooked. I will scoop them out of the pot. I did not add any water to cook this gizzard. Look at the liquid that came out of it. I'll get a frying pan, add some vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, I will transfer the plantain inside the oil. Fry them till they are golden brown. The plantains are well fried. I will take them out of the oil and set it aside. I'm using the same oil in frying the gizzard as well. Just fry until it's nice and brown. Once they are done, take them out of the oil. I will get another pot. Add some of the vegetable oil I used in frying the gizzard. Add some sliced onions. Fry for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add my roughly blended peppers. Stir it. Add some thyme, some seasoning powder, and curry powder. Stir it and allow it to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes on a high heat. The sauce is fully fried, so now I'm going to add the liquid that came out of the gizzard. Stir it together, cover it, allow it to cook for more 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, the sauce is ready. Add the fried gizzard. Mix it all together. Then add the fried plantain. Mix it together. And taste for salt. I will add a pinch of salt Stir it together. Cook it for another 5 minutes. So now I'm going to garnish it with some chopped green peppers. Stir it together. Allow it to simmer on a low heat for a few minutes. It's ready. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.